Good morning, everyone. In our previous series of solar, we have seen why we are using the solar energy and what are the advantages of solar over other renewable energies, and what is solar constant, and we have also seen how the energy was converted into electrical, uh, and also we have seen what is a collector and what are the different types of collectors. Okay, so now in that first we have concentrated on two collectors. One is flat plate collector and the second one is um, evacuated collectors, which are both is a non-concentrating collector. Okay, the major difference between the two collector is one is non-concentrating collector and the another one is concentrating collector. So flat plate collectors comes under the non-concentrating collectors. Okay, so first a solar collector is a device designed to absorb incident solar radiation and to transfer the energy to a file passing in the contact with it. Okay, so what it actually do is it's designed to absorb solar radiation and to transfer the energy to the fluid which is present inside the collectors. Okay, utilization of solar energy requires solar collectors. So in order for that we need solar collectors to utilize the solar energy. um, the flat plate collectors and the concentrating focusing collectors. Okay, the flat plate collector is also known as the concentrating collectors, non-concentrating collectors. Okay, so solar collectors may be classified according to their collective characters, the way in which they are mounted and the type of transfer fluid they employ. Okay, the first subdivision we are going to see is collecting characters. Okay, based on the collecting characters, a non-concentrating or a flat plate collector is one which observed surface for solar radiation is essential, flat with no means for concentrating the incoming solar radiation. Okay, so a concentrating or focusing collector is one which usually contains reflectors or employs other optimal means to concentrate the energy falling on the aperture onto a heat exchange of surface area smaller than the aperture. Okay, so basically there are two, one we also known as the concentrating and the another one is non-concentrating collector, and then it differs based on the mounting. Okay, a collector can be mounted to remain stationary, be adjustable as to tilt angle, which we call it as the measured from the horizontal. Okay, to follow the change in solar declination or be designed to track the sun. Okay, tracking is done by empowering either an equatorial mounting or an normal mounting for the purpose of increasing the absorption of the daily solar radiation. Okay, so in this, based on mounting, we can say it as there are two types. One is fixed one where the base will not move. Another one is which can adjust according to the direction of the sun. That means it can tilt or it can also track the sun directly. So in this case the efficiency of the collector will increase because it will be always contact with the sun's direction, so it will absorb more number of radiation. Okay, and the third is uh, on what type of fluid we use, the collectors will differ. Okay, the collectors will usually use either a liquid or a gas as the transfer fluid. Okay, the most common liquid or water or a water ethylene glycol solution. Okay, we mostly use water or water is not guide solution, and the most common gas is air. Okay,